In today's video, I'm going to teach you to convert a Word document to PDF. This is a quick and reliable way to share your work while keeping the layout, fonts, and formatting exactly as you intended. PDFs are widely compatible across devices and operating systems, so saving your Word document as a PDF is a smart step before you send it to a client, upload it online, or archive a final copy. Start by opening your Word document. Make sure it's the correct file and that everything is ready to go. Check your pages, headings, and any images or tables so the final version looks polished. Once your document is open, look to the top left corner of Word and click the File tab. That opens the Backstage view, which is where Word keeps all the commands for managing your files, like saving, printing, and sharing. In this view, choose Save As. This is different from the regular Save command because Save As lets you change where the file goes, what it's called, and most importantly, its format. You're going to use it to create a PDF version while keeping your original Word document intact. Next, choose where you want to store the file. Pick a folder you'll remember, whether that's your desktop, a project folder, or a cloud location you use regularly. Give the file a clear, descriptive name so it's easy to find later. Using consistent naming can save you time when you're working with multiple versions. Now find the drop-down menu labeled Save as Type. On some systems, this may appear as file format, but it serves the same purpose. Click that menu and select PDF. This tells Word to convert your document into a portable document format that preserves your layout and design. It's especially helpful if your document includes special fonts, columns, images, or branded elements you want to keep consistent for anyone who opens it. Once you've chosen PDF, click Save. Word will create the PDF in the location you selected and keep your original Word file unchanged. You'll now have a clean, shareable copy that looks the same on most screens and printers. That's all there is to it. By opening your document, going to File, selecting Save As, choosing a location and file name, picking PDF from the Save as Type menu, and clicking Save, you've created a professional, portable version of your Word file. This simple method helps you avoid formatting surprises and ensures your document looks just the way you designed it.